So, the carbon cycle. Now, the carbon cycle describes the movement of carbon between the seas, lands, and atmosphere. In the atmosphere, the main source of carbon is carbon dioxide. So, sources of carbon dioxide are combustion of fossil fuels, respiration, decomposition of limestones, reactions of acid with carbonates. So, this is a carbon cycle. So, first we'll start with fossil and fossil fuels. So, carbon is stored in fossil fuels and then it is taken to the factories where the fossil fuel is burned. So through combustion, carbon dioxide goes back into the atmosphere. So right over here, this is a tree which is going to go through the process of photosynthesis. So it is going to use up carbon dioxide. And then this is the cow. So basically carbon is released into the atmosphere during the respiration of plants, animals, and decomposers. So this is the carbon cycle.